For anyone wondering, Seaark, Pro Cat, Easy Cat, have a washdown pump issue. Apparently, left some water in mine last year, froze up. Reorder a new one. Johnson pumps. There's your strainer cover. Right down in there. Get that open, reach down in here, and there's this one little red clip here. Snap it down, pull that on off there, pull it out, put strainer cover on. Pause the video because that could be quite a booger. Your strainer cover. Get her snapped back together. Push back in there, she's good to go. It's that front access panel on the front deck.